Hello shoppers, I have here one product I would highly recommend you to try. It's a knee massager from KINGKnee. Let's open the box and see what's inside. It comes with the actual massager, manual. It comes with power adapter and portable storage bag. This knee massager is different than regular vibrating massagers sold on Amazon. This one is designed with 2 air bags. It works through air circulation to better simulate human hands. This massager smoothly will massage the whole knee area and also the surrounding part of calf and thigh. This massager is designed with the built-in controller, and also it's designed with 3 modes and 3 levels of intensity. You can choose combination of any which suits you the best. And also it's designed with the heating option. It can warm up your knee quickly and relieve pain and soreness. Massager is provided with adjustable Velcro straps, so it will be suitable for any member of your family. Massager comes with the nice storage bag. You can always take this massager with you to go. It's very compact and light. KINGKnee knee massager is a great choice. Quality is wonderful and it's very comfortable and efficient. And it also comes with a set of 2 and it's available for purchase on Amazon.